Hello everyone. Let's talk about food industry. Yes, it is an industry. It is a very fast growing industry in India as well as the whole world because uh, due to the urbanization, people are not very eager to make their food themselves. Therefore, food industry and the scope of it is expanding day by day, year by year. If we see the present scenario in India is very unsaturated in the food industry area because if we see around us that people generally go maybe once in a month or once in a max to max once in a week outside to get their food, or sometimes they order but the frequency is very less. But if we compare it with the western world, then people in USA, people in Europe, people in Russia, they order their food or they go out and eat their food in the restaurants and hotels. So, and the frequency there is very high. People generally go and eat every alternate day, or even if we talk about uh, the countries with the dining out culture like Russia, then almost every day people eat out. So, if we see that India scenario, then we can easily see that it is very unsaturated industry in India, and there is a lot of scope that comes from local local entrepreneurs, and also they can expand also because there are several examples of food chains like we all know McDonald's, KFC, Domino's. These are all Western brands. They were sometimes only one or two stores. They a time was that they were only one or two store, but today we see that they are global food chains, and that is why we can get to the conclusion that yes, the scope for business in this area is very high in India today. If we see that many examples have also emerged out, like Zomato, Swiggy. These are the examples that have merged the food industry with the technology, and they came out as a uh, food delivery service. So that was really very fantastic thing. The Western alternative to this is Uber Eats. So that innovation scope is always there. If we see that in all the industry, innovation scope is always, but in food industry it is exceptionally high. In food industry we can see that the local businessmen and the local chefs who sell their food can innovate a lot of things. They can make their food interesting. They can make some challenges out of it, like uh, eat my pizza in 1 minute, and you will win this prize. Uh, these challenges make things more interesting. So scope of innovation is very very high in food industry, but also we must be aware about the factor of health. Food industry does not mean that the food industry of only fast food should grow. The food services that provide healthy food should grow, rather than just promoting fast food. We should promote the businesses that provide healthy food to people. That is very important. And uh, so that was a concern that the if the fast food industry grow, then the health of people will degrade exponentially. But that should be overcome by uh, by promoting the food outlets which provide healthy food. Like we see that there are many local versions of this in Maharashtra, like Goli Vada Pav. So Vada Pav is not very unhealthy, although it is considered to be a fast food, but it is not very unhealthy food. And if we see Dabbawala, they provide daily meals to people. Uh, and tiffin services. These things are also a part of it, not only the fast food industry. So these things must be promoted. If we see uh, that the role of technology in it has got a boom after the pandemic. Zomato, Swiggy, Uber Eats, all these companies uh, made huge profits last year because of the pandemic, and I think it is going to continue. Even if the restaurants are open, then people will prefer more ordering food at their home, at their doorstep, because it gives them a obvious advantage, and that is also a part of changing world. So that is a short to happen. If we see other examples, that then we can also see many every city have its own famous tiffin service. Every locality have its own famous tiffin service. So I think government should also take initiative to promote these tiffin services and food outlets also. So this was the complete scenario in India, and I think the future is dining out or ordering food at home, and that is going to come, and um, making food by self is is will not be a very nice option in the future, because it consumes time, and also variety is not there. So as people move towards urbanization and specialization in their skill, they will avoid making their food themselves. They will either hire someone, or they will get their food from outside, and that is good for the economy also, because the service sector overall will boom, the manufacturing sector will overall boom, and uh, the opportunity is now. The one who will grab it will make it. Thank you very much.